Any of you folks own a General Motors, Pontiac, Buick, Oldsmobile with the 3.8 in it, and it's leaking fuel out back here? I'm going to show you how to fix this for less than $1. My name's Clay with the Clayway here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Whenever you're looking at something like this, keep in mind that if you don't do it, somebody else is going to do it. And if anyone else can do it, you can do it too. First thing you want to do is squeeze down on these clips, and as you squeeze down on them, if this won't come off, push it down and then pull it up sharply as you leave the clips depressed. It'll pop off of there. With it popped off of there, you can try to spin it around here. Get up, down inside there, and we're going to take its guts out. Guts look a little something like this. Take a pick tool and you dig that stuff out. You're going to find this ring right here, which has this little teeny tiny top on it and a little lip there. Goes in there just like that. Then you're going to find this O-ring, which is an O-ring. Yeah, looks like an O-ring, so it is an O-ring. Then you're going to find this plastic spacer in between the O-rings. And then last but not least, more than likely, this O-ring's going to be your problem O-ring. These are Felpro 408 O-rings. I don't know what the hell that means, but that's the part number you ask for when you go to the parts store. And I believe you can replace both of these with 408s. We're going to try it out, see what happens. I'm just using a little pick tool and sticking each one of your O-rings down inside there. You'll be able to flatten them puppies out and get them to where they got to go. First, we install our black rubber O-ring, then we install our plastic spacer, then we install our last rubber O-ring, push it down, and push the little clip down as well. With a little fine work, you're going to get it to look like this. You're done. Then you clock that to where this straight part, like that. When it goes in correctly, you will hear it click. Push it down, and then you can drive around town. Start it up and hope it don't fall apart. No more stinking leaks! But we do have a plugged cat, so we gotta deal with that.